Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market. And today, we're diving into what might just be the best double stroller side-by-side. The Jeep Destination Ultralight Side X Side Double Stroller by Delta Children. Let's start with why this stroller stands out from the rest. If you're a parent of two and always on the move, you'll know the importance of a reliable, lightweight, and durable stroller. This one checks all the boxes. Built with an aluminum frame, it weighs in at only 28.66 pounds. That's impressively light for a double stroller, making it easy to maneuver, fold, and carry, especially with its foam handles and built-in carry strap. The stroller is finished in a sleek midnight black color, and crafted from tough 1680D Oxford cloth that's both durable and water-resistant. So whether you're strolling through city streets or caught in the rain, it's built to hold up. Each seat can hold up to 40 pounds, supporting a combined total of 80 pounds. The seats operate independently, meaning one child can recline while the other sits up, and each seat comes with a 5-point harness for maximum safety. The shoulder pads are reflective too, helping you stay visible during evening walks. Now let's talk comfort. The canopies are designed with SPF 50 sun visors to shield your little ones from harsh rays, and peek-a-boo windows let you keep an eye on them without stopping the stroll. There are also adjustable footrests, making sure the ride is cozy no matter the child's height. When it comes to ride quality, the front wheels are 7 inches and feature a swivel lock system. You can leave them unlocked for easy maneuvering or lock them in place when you need more stability on rougher surfaces. The rear wheels are 10 inches and include suspension, so bumps and cracks in the sidewalk won't jar your kids around. And when you're ready to stop, a simple one-step back brake lock keeps everything secure. Now let's look at practicality. The stroller folds compactly into a standing position, which is perfect for storage in small spaces or the trunk of your car. The folded size is just under 30 inches wide and about 13 inches tall, which means it fits through standard doorways easily and won't take up much room in your home. It also has a spacious storage bin underneath for snacks, toys, diapers, you name it. No need to carry a separate bag. That's one less thing on your shoulders, literally. Delta Children has gone above and beyond on the safety side as well. This stroller is JPMA certified and meets or exceeds ASTM and CPSC standards, so you know you're getting a product that prioritizes your children's well-being. So if you're on the lookout for a side-by-side double stroller that combines lightweight portability, comfort, safety, and thoughtful design, the Jeep Destination Ultralight is a top-tier choice. It's practical for parents, cozy for kids, and built to last. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best gear for your growing family. Until next time, keep strolling smart.